You ever notice how your car insurance bill just keeps going up? Even when you drive safe, no tickets, no claims, yet somehow your payment climbs higher every 6 months. Yeah, that's not your imagination. That's the system working against you. See, most people think insurance is like a fixed price. You get a quote, you pay, and that's that. But the truth? Car insurance companies quietly use something called price optimization, a fancy term for how much can we overcharge you before you leave. They run data models on millions of people to figure out who's too lazy or too busy to shop around. And if you've been with the same insurer for more than 2 years, congratulations, you've just been marked as loyal, which in their language means easy money. I learned this the hard way. Back when I got my first car, I thought I was being responsible. Paid my insurance on time, never missed a month. 2 years later, I was paying almost $400 more per year for the exact same coverage. I called them up like, hey, what changed? They said, oh, the rates in your area went up. Yeah, sure. Funny thing, my friend a few streets away switched companies and paid half of what I did. So I decided to do something about it. I spent one evening researching, comparing quotes from multiple insurers online. Literally took 5 minutes per website. I found one that offered me the same coverage, $80 less per month. That's almost $1,000 a year, just because I took 30 minutes to check. Now here's the kicker. The new company didn't have any secret deals or discounts. They just didn't treat me like I'd never check my options. And that's the real lesson. Most people overpay because they think insurance is set in stone. It's not. It's a game. And the players who don't check the score always lose. So here's what you do. Step 1, grab your current policy and look at your coverage levels. Liability, collision, comprehensive. Write them down. Step 2, go to at least 3 comparison sites. The Zebra, Insurify, and NerdWallet are good ones. Don't trust just one. Step 3, get new quotes using the exact same coverage levels you already have. That way, you're comparing apples to apples. Now, here's a little insider move most people don't know. When you find a cheaper quote, don't just switch immediately. Call your current insurer and tell them you're leaving, because another company gave you a better rate. Most of the time, they'll magically find a discount they never told you about. Happens all the time. If they don't match it, leave. Seriously. Loyalty means nothing in the insurance world, only competition does. And listen, don't let them trick you with add-ons. Roadside assistance, rental coverage, glass protection. These sound great, but half the time you already have them through your credit card or car warranty. Always read the fine print before you pay extra for anything. You'll be shocked how fast it adds up. That $7 add-on here, $5 one there. Boom, $200 a year gone for stuff you never even use. Here's the fun part, though. Once you do this once you go through this process and save that first $500 or $1,000, you start to see money differently. You realize how many little traps are built into everyday life, how companies literally bet on your inattention. And when you break that pattern, when you pay attention, you start winning. Now, I'm not saying everyone's going to save $1,000 overnight, but if you take just 5 minutes to check, I guarantee you'll find something. Either your insurer lowers the rate or someone else will. And if neither happens, fine. At least you'll know you're not getting scammed quietly. It's like I always say, money doesn't just disappear, it gets taken by companies that know you're too tired to fight back. So take 5 minutes today, run those quotes, compare them, make them work for you this time. Because when you stop letting companies treat your loyalty like a weakness, that's when your money finally starts working the way it should.